Oh my god! Look at this heavy rain, guys. This is crazy. Look how heavy this rain is. I'm at my nan's house now. Holy moly, look how heavy this rain is. I don't know why, but I'm getting the feeling that we might get a thunderstorm. The clouds are really dark. They're actually darker than they look on camera in real life. But there's some heavy rain, and I don't know why. I'm just getting the feeling that we might get a thunderstorm. I know the Epic Family String Light Collector of 2020 and Wet Pretzels have both had a thunderstorm. I feel like I might be getting one. It's really coming down, the rain and the clouds are really dark. I don't know if we will get a thunderstorm or whether it will just be heavy rain, but oh my goodness. No, the camera is terrible. It doesn't even focus. This camera's rubbish. You can really see it on the windows though, the rain. It is coming down like crazy. I'm gonna have to shut the window. There we go, guys. I had to shut the window because the top one was open to stop the rain from coming in. It is throwing it down. Unbelievable. It was like sunny earlier. Well, it wasn't sunny, it was mostly cloudy. But unbelievable, it is throwing it down as rain. Look at this heavy rain, guys. Horrible weather. Terrible weather. I hope we don't get thunderstorms at night. Hopefully it doesn't thunder at night time because I'm a bit scared of thunder when that happens. I'm a bit scared of thunder at night time. I don't mind it in the daytime, but it just scares me a bit when it's at night time. I might open the window a little bit so you can hear the rain. I'll put it on the couch. There we go. It's very, very dark clouds. Yeah, I'm going to be staying at my nan's for a week. I came this Friday. I think pretty much every single time I come to my nan's from now on, I'm going to stay for a week. I thought that was lightning then. I thought I saw lightning then. I didn't know, but I thought I just saw lightning, but I didn't. Whoa. Sorry. Oh, focus, you stupid camera. Yeah. So I'm gonna end the video here then, guys. That's gonna be it for the video on horrible rain. And if a thunderstorm occurs, I will make another video. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and thanks for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next video. And bye for now.